Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to get the best software deals on StackSocial during Black Friday. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now what you need to do is simply open up the StackSocial app or simply head over to your browser and then on the search bar type in StackSocial.com and be sure to be logged into your account. Now in order to score the best StackSocial software deals, what you need to do is know the typical Black Friday StackSocial software. During Black Friday, StackSocial often offers side-wide coupon codes on the top of already discounted software deals. There are usually separate codes for different categories like example software or apps that have been used as well. So all you gotta do now is collect and stack promo codes by simply tapping on the product or the software that you want, and you can see there is a only Black Friday deal as well, and the deal price is $9.97. Now all you gotta do is simply tap on add to cart or PayPal to buy it now, and you can also make a wish list in advance as well by simply tapping on adding it to cart, and then once the sale begins, identify which software deals you want, and you can use StackSocial categories and filters from productivity, security, design and etc. to narrow down and add your preferred deals to wish list or cart early. When the Black Friday code goes live, you can apply them quickly before stock runs out of the deals. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.